Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gearhart, and if you're new, thank you for checking this out, and if you're not, thanks for coming back again. Today we're going to be checking out a subscription box that I actually have not ever tried before. It is the Fabfitfun. I have the December box, and we're going to unbox this and see if this stuff is worth it, and if it's something you might want to check out. So if you're interested in December's Fabfitfun box, stay tuned, and let's do this. Okay, so disclaimer, this was sent to me. I am not being paid for this. It is not sponsored, but they did send it to me for my honest review, and I will have all the information in the description box. There is a $10 off coupon if you want to check this out once you are done viewing everything that's in here. And it is normally, I believe, $50, and you get over $200 worth of product each time. And if you get the $10 off, it would be $40, and it's kind of a nice thing for Christmas, because if you're looking for stocking stuffers or gifts, you can spend $40 and get $200 worth of stuff. So that in itself is, you know, kind of a nice thing to check out, especially this time of year. And so here's the box. It's huge. This is a huge box. And on here it says, in support of women's Alzheimer's movement, which I think is amazing. And can we just say, I mean, this box is adorable. I came home from a trip yesterday, and there were several boxes from Amazon and different things, and this was the box that I wanted to open first because there's someone ice skating, and it's just adorable. So here it is. Now you can't even see me. Let's move that over. Okay, so the first thing in here is their little magazine here. So there's that, and then there's also this super cute Voré, I'm not sure. It's a little crossbody bag. Oh, it feels all kind of fuzzy. It's kind of a fuzzy. And let's see, it's got little zipper pocket inside right here. Super cute crossbody bag. Little small thing right there. Really, really cute. I did sit down and open this up with my daughter last night, and we did price these individually online, what you get in this box, and they claim that it's over $200 worth of stuff, and it is true. It is over $200 worth of stuff, and that's not including the coupons that you get. For instance, this meal kit, there's a $90 gift card in here from HelloFresh, and you have to claim it within 30 days, but that's not included in the pricing that we looked up. The pricing for this box that we looked up online totaled $236 if you were to buy all of these things individually. So it's a pretty good deal. And so next is the makeup eraser. I have purchased this before. It does actually work. You wash it in the washing machine, and it removes your makeup with just this cloth and water. So it saves you a bunch of money on makeup wipes if you are interested in that. The only thing about this is that you just got to be really diligent about washing it. And, you know, you use it a couple times, you need to wash it. And so it's kind of a lot of washing, but you could hand wash it too. So there's that. And then I really am excited about this. I've wanted this for a long time. I don't know if they work, but they're pretty amazing. It's an instant brush cleaner, and this is color switch. So when you're using your brushes, you just swirl it into here and it will clean your brushes. So I'm excited to try that out. From Lashes MD, there's eyelash and eyebrow conditioner right here. Is it focusing? From Dry Bar, you get Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangling Spray, and you do get a full size of this. This is 5 ounces, 147 mils. So kind of a nice little detangler from Dry Bar. The Dry Bar stuff is really amazing. And then from Baddington, you get a set of lashes. These are kind of your natural looking lashes, I would say. Nothing super dramatic, but it comes with some glue right there. So that's nice. Get a set of lashes, and these are over 20 bucks by themselves, so good deal. From R&C Co Television, There's a shampoo and a conditioner. And this is Perfect Hair Conditioner and Perfect Hair Shampoo. And these are full size. These are full sizes as well, 8.5 ounces for these guys. Next up is, I'm so excited to use this. It is CUCCIO Somatology Yoga. And it is a body wash that has lavender oil in it. And this probably smells amazing. I clearly have not opened it. I don't know if I'm keeping this stuff or giving them to my daughters for Christmas. Kind of just want to see what it smells like. Oh, yeah. It smells like lavender essential oil, but lighter, like not super overpowering. Really good scent. And it's called Calm and Clean. It's got Epsom salts, hand and body wash. I might be keeping this one. Sorry, girls. Mama might be keeping this one. Okay, so here is my honest opinion about these kind of subscription boxes. I have tried the Sephora Play and BoxyCharm for several months, almost a year of having those. And the Sephora Play ones, you get kind of sample sizes a lot of the time. And I actually kind of like that because if it's like a lipstick and it's not your color, you know, you're not wasting an entire lipstick. But the BoxyCharm, you would get full-size ones, and that was also kind of nice because if you really did love it, you had a whole one. The thing that I found with those is that, and a lot of times you got a whole lot of different little sample sizes of, you know, facial lotions, under eye creams, serums, those kinds of things. And really that kind of stuff you have to use over time in order to really see the benefit of them. And so I found that I just had a whole bunch of tiny little samples of stuff that really I couldn't tell if they worked or not without purchasing the whole thing. And so I have since discontinued those. With this one, you get full size of all of this stuff, and it's a body wash, it's a detangler, it's a shampoo and conditioner, eyelashes. These things, these are all things that I will use every day on a regular basis and use up. Even if I didn't, you know, love the shampoo and conditioner, I would still use it until it was gone, or someone in my family would use it. So, and then the little crossbody purse, that's really cute. I'll definitely be using that or handing that off to one of my daughters. So I think that this thing, at least for the December box, everything in here, I actually really like. And so for the money, for what you get, it is true. It's over $200 worth of stuff. So I think that this one at least is worth it. And I may be checking out in the future, you know, signing up for this one myself, because I feel like you really do use everything that you get. So, you know, this is a one-time thing for me. I don't know over the long haul if every box is as relevant or useful as this one, but for a first try, I'm actually really enjoying this. So, especially at Christmas, because you can put these things in a stocking or give them as gifts if you're not going to use something, and save yourself some money over the Christmas breaks. So I will have in the description box the code to get $10 off your first box if you're interested in that. There is also a link in the description box to their website so that you can go in there and check out the box and put in your coupon code. All right, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you found this useful and informative, and if so, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every video that I post. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired. Have a happy Christmas, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.